Ethereum value equivalent to 32,188 rands a coin. The present cost range, 31,652 to 32,692. The earlier day close, 32,242. The change was 0.17%. Converse rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 32,945 rands, high 35,251, low 30,639. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 32,573 rands, high 34,853, low 30,293. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 30,828 rands, high 32,986, low 28,670. Ethereum conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 32,323 rands, high 34,586, low 30,060. And multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. April 3, cost 31,146 rands, high 33,326, low 28,966. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. April 4, cost 32,509 rands, high 34,785, low 30,233. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. April 5, cost 31,631 rands, high 33,845, low 29,417. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. April 6, cost 32,550 rands, high 34,829, low 30,272. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. April 7, cost 31,872 rands, high 34,103, low 29,641. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April 10, cost 33,828 rands, high 36,196, low 31,460. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April 11, cost 33,843 rands, high 36,212, low 31,474. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday. April 12, cost 32,783 rands, high 35,078, low 30,488. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday. April 13, cost 33,222 rands, high 35,548, low 30,896. Ethereum estimate on Friday. April 14, cost 35,838 rands, high 38,347, low 33,329. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Monday. April 17, cost 38,816 rands, high 41,533, low 36,099. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday. April 18, cost 39,528 rands, high 42,295, low 36,761. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. April 19, cost 40,244 rands, high 43,061, low 37,427. Ethereum estimate on Thursday. April 20, cost 36,927 rands, high 39,512, low 34,342. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. April 21, cost 36,030 rands, high 38,552, low 33,508. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Monday. April 24, cost 36,101 rands, high 38,628, low 33,574. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday. April 25, cost 36,410 rands, high 38,959, low 33,861. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday. April 26, cost 36,316 rands, high 38,858, low 33,774. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2023. At the outset cost at 29,363 rands, excessive cost 35,251, while low cost 25,697. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,659. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 32,323, change for spring 10.1%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2023. At the outset cost at 32,323 rands, excessive cost 43,061, while low cost 28,966. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,189. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 32,404, change for April 0.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. To start with cost at 32,404 rands, exorbitant cost 36,941, while low cost 32,107. They found the middle value of cost 33,994. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 34,524, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum figure for June 2023. Initially cost at 34,524 rands, excessive cost 42,851. While low cost 34,524. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,987. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 40,048, change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 40,048 rands, excessive cost 40,048, while low cost 34,061. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,696. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,625, change for July 8.5%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 36,625 rands, excessive cost 36,625, while low cost 28,611. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,157. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 30,765, change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 30,765 rands, excessive cost 38,185, while low cost 30,765. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,851. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 35,687, change for September 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 35,687 rands, excessive cost 35,687, while low cost 30,115. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,468. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 32,382, change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 32,382 rands, excessive cost 33,044, while low cost 28,720. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 31,257. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 30,882, change for November 4.